90.
Need your home looking its best? Hi, I'm Angel Rodriguez with Premier.
This is a flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a flash flood warning for northern Coffee County in southeastern Georgia, southwestern Jeff Davis County in southeastern Georgia until 2:15 p.m. At 11:11 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Broxton, Pridgeon and West Green. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Georgia: Coffee and Jeff Davis.